Kingston schoolgirl and man charged with illegal possession of firearm. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The 15-year-old female student and a man who were arrested in connection with the seizure of an illegal handgun in Rockford, Kingston on June the 6th have been charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. The man has been identified as 37-year-old Kevin Lewis, a security officer of Windward Road, Kingston 16. The identity of the student is being withheld, the police said in a statement yesterday. The two were arrested about 4:30 p.m. during a police spot check operation that was being conducted by members of the anti-gang task force. During the operation, the driver of a Toyota Wish motor car was signaled to stop. He complied. However, in the process, one of the male passengers ran from the vehicle and escaped. The vehicle with Lewis and the student were subsequently searched, and one 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 11 9mm rounds of ammunition was found. The weapon was reportedly found in the girl's school bag. The police said that a court date is being finalized for the pair to appear. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.